boy Fool, and I'm back with another video. Now you see what I mean? Old pickup, and this thing ain't running good. I did a few things to it since y'all the last seen it. Changed the radiator hoses out, put a new radiator in it, put a bump on it. Got a new door, y'all see it's white, I ain't got no door panel. Gotta go get that one sometime or another. But yeah, we making progress in it, and I'm living every step of it too. But I got some headlights coming in, cause I got a headlight out. I really want to drive this truck, so I'm gonna need my headlights. And what else I gotta do? Just a few minor things till I, actually start working on the bigger picture of it. But yeah, I'm headed back to the crib right now. So once I get to the crib, I'll show y'all what all I did. I actually need to go buy me a radio and put in here. I don't like to ride with no music. So yeah, y'all, I'll get back with y'all whenever I make it to the house. Show y'all what all I did. So what's going on, y'all? Sorry, but I done been gone for a little while. I know it don't seem like it to y'all, but I done been gone for a long time, longer than I expected. But yeah, I've been running around like a chicken with my head cut off. But just getting back, and I got a couple goodies for the truck. As you can see, got me a Kenwood radio, some Pilker speakers, and just power acoustic tweeters. Just something for right now, just a little something. It's just temporary. I mean, I do want to drive this truck and need music, man. So I gotta have something to ride around too. So that's just a little temporary fix until we, get started on the real stuff, 12s, and I'm talking about, man, this thing gonna get crazy. I'm telling you, y'all better stay tuned and watch it. Telling you. Oh yeah, man. Check the merch out. VVS, very, very solid. Some of my people got going on. So y'all make sure y'all check them out. You can find them on Facebook at VVS Richie or Alexis Faith. You can get in touch with them that way. Or I mean, I don't really too much be on that social media stuff. So I really don't know. That's all I know, Facebook. So yeah, y'all check them out, man. They got good merch, all different color. I mean, and it's some good material too, man. I'm talking about top notch, A1. But yeah, so I'm finna get ready to put this radio in, and this is what we actually working with right now. An old Alpine. That mug got the tape player on it. We ain't got nothing but some house surround speakers in here, which don't number one of them work, and I can't listen to nothing but the radio. But I mean, that was a little something for right now, but I gotta get past that. So yeah, like I said, I'm finna pop this radio in real quick. It ain't gonna take me too long. I think I might have them out, so I might let y'all watch that, see how that go. So yeah, y'all just stay tuned. I'll be back. So yeah, I'm back finally. Sorry my phone had died on you. But it's a little bit of, I put them up there. I put them right there. Got that in there. Mounted that right there. But yeah, I still gotta get some speakers for right there. Wherever that one at right there. Yeah, but I don't know what all I done showed y'all so far, but I'm just finna go through a little walkthrough of everything I done did so far. Starting under the hood. Gotta get a little knock before it opens. So under the hood I ain't did much, but new radiator, new bottom hose, new top hose, and oh, and last night I drove it and that motherfucker like started missing real bad, and I don't know if y'all can see it, but that right there is the ignition cord. It was arcing on the back side, and found out what it was, so I went on here and put one of them on that last night too. Oh yeah, I also got me a new belt, and shit, that's about it. Yeah, I know they got the new door, the white door, and that's it with the bumper and both tail lights. So yeah, this thing coming along real good, and actually the radio sound pretty good, so no, I'm probably gonna stick with that radio for a while, even when I start my build. And yeah, we just gonna take it one step at a time, man. But hope y'all kind of enjoyed this video. I'm probably finna end it right now because I got other things I gotta do, and can't be holding this camera all day. I wish I could, because I got a lot of stuff to show y'all, but yeah, so till the next video, I'll see y'all. Peace.